Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change our password in Badoo. Now let's begin. Right here, as you can see, I have already logged into my account, and right now I want to change my password. For that, what I need to do is simply go to Profile. The button's at the bottom right, simply click on it. Then this will open up. That's your profile page. At the top right, you will see the settings icon, and right next to it, the edit profile. In context that you want to edit profile, simply click on the edit profile button. But right now, what we want to do is simply go to settings. I'm gonna go to settings right now, and this will open up. Well, changing the password relates to account. So I'm gonna click on account right here. Do you know that there is no exact way to change our password? For that, what we need to do is simply click on forgot password. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Now it says an email has been sent to the registered email address. I'm gonna look at it right now. Well, as you can see, I just received an email. I'm simply gonna open it. And as you can see, there's a link like this that says create a new password. I'm simply gonna click on the button. Now a pop-up will open up that will ask you to enter your password. Do note that you guys cannot see anything right now. It's because of the privacy policy that we cannot screen record. I'm gonna enter the password right now. Well, I have entered my password, and right here there is a button that says set password. Simply click on the button that says set password, and then there you go. Your password has been changed. Well guys, that's it. That's how you change your password in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.